Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an Audi Q7 rear fog light. This is a straightforward process that you can easily do yourself with just a few basic tools. First, make sure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is set for safety. You will need a T20 Torx driver and a new 21-watt bulb to complete this quick repair. Now, let's get to the light housing. Look for a small access panel on the rear bumper, usually near the fog light itself. Gently use a flathead screwdriver to pry this panel open, revealing the screws underneath. You'll find two T20 Torx screws holding the entire light assembly in place. Carefully remove these screws to prepare for the next step. With the screws out, you can now carefully pull the entire light assembly straight out from the bumper. Be gentle to avoid damaging any clips or wiring. Once the assembly is free, locate the bulb holder at the back. Give it a quarter turn counterclockwise to unlock and remove it. Then, simply pull out the old bulb and insert your new 21-watt replacement bulb. To finish up, reinsert the bulb holder into the assembly and twist it clockwise until it locks securely. Carefully push the light assembly back into its position on the bumper, ensuring it aligns correctly. Then, reinsert and tighten the two T20 Torx screws you removed earlier. Finally, snap the access panel back into place. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.